So beautiful people, you're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I don't know, I'm using natural lighting. I don't know if this will be bright enough. Let's see what happens when I add this. Yeah, I think this is now a little bit more brighter one. Hello beautiful people, it's a very quick one. You are welcome to my channel. Please just forget this look that you are seeing. This is how I just drove her this morning to drop the kids at school, because I normally love to take my morning bath. It just wake me up and get me ready for the day. So today I just have to step outside like that without taking my morning bath or morning bath, because I know that when I come back I will be jumping on this fish. So I decided to jump in and out of this fish before I take my bath for the day. So this look that you are just saying, please just ignore it unless I like do the real thing, because don't forget you're dealing with businesswoman at this point. So this is how it is. So money know they talk how the time come. The important thing is say it don't come. Yes, I just want to show you. I just finished Facebook Live. I unboxed my stockfish on Facebook Live. So I decided to just show it to you guys. So guys, please, because this is your first time of this my channel, my name is Lizzie and this is Lizzie Space. This here you will see a lot of me, how I do my thing, like as a single mother, how what I do, you know, a lot of beautiful things that you can imagine. Go through my other video and get better understanding yourself. So I also distribute fish, stockfish, best stockfish from Italy. So from anywhere you are within the four corners of Europe up to UK, Finland, if you place your order, your stockfish will come to you like this, like this, like this. So this one arrived yesterday, then I unboxed it today. So 2 weeks ago I ordered fish that I was not happy with, so I returned it. This one is like perfect, you understand? It's like perfect. So this is how my fish come now. The last time I ordered fish, I said the company should just bring the carton, just the way they just pour it, like 2 cartons like this. They did separate it, they did tie it. So I got to do a lot of job trying to measure it, because one bag come with 5 kilo. So this time I told them, please help my career to do the division yourself. So I'm so happy that I just have to open it, no other work. So this is how it is. This is 5 kilo. So it looks very small now, because you know they use machine to tie it. They squeeze it, it's very tight, and you will always feel that it's much when you carry it. It's very weight. So by the time you open this one now, pour it inside bag again and tie it, it will be triple of this, you understand? So this is not hand tie. Hand tie cannot be tight like this. So this is how my fish come. So anywhere you are, you place order. This is how, like carton like this, this is how it will come to your resident, and you get it direct. So this one I come to my resident are the one that I give out to people close to me here in Torino City in Italy. So please, if you love to eat stockfish, you like better thing, please place your order. If you don't like to eat or you got it before, share this video on your WhatsApp so that people will see and they can still call me. That is another way for you to help my career. Understand? That's another way for you to help my career. And if you have restaurants, you want to upgrade your customer, the pot of your soup for your customer, you can order for me. And if you have Africa shop, this thing is good that is selling it like this, and we still let you out of it. But by the time you buy it and begin to sell it at a retail, yeah, as a retail seller, believe me, any business you can do that, you get up to 30-40% profit. Is a good business. So by the time you buy this 5 kilo, 10 kilo like this, you tie it. Now you win. Now you be jagga, but even more than me. I always tell people that I'm ready to share my profit with you. Why I always say that is, I give it to you in a giveable price, that is the lowest, you understand? So I believe that when you are encouraged, you will always come back to me. When you are encouraged, you get it cheap, you will only come back to me. So all I just need as wholesaler is enough customer to be ordering for me. Even if I'm seeing one euro, one kobo on top of each one, when I have much customer, gather them together, I believe I can come up with something. But you that is retail seller, you are the one that is getting the meeting. To basically say this is not play. So if you want to earn extra income, you can do this business. If you are a stay-at-home mom, you can do this business. If you're in a country where you have many extranary, like many immigrant blacks, maybe people that in camp or something like that, you can do this business. You just tie it and just give it to them when they receive their salary, especially German and Denmark. So you can do this business. And if you want to stay home and just be like making your husband happy, like hey, upgrading your pot of soap, so after that one your husband will put hand on your neck, really gonna know what will come after them. So place your order. So I'm just here to just show you that this is how my saltfish come this time. See, this is how it come. So this one will not be opening it now. So by the time I supply this one, then I will open the other bag. So that is just it. It's a very quick one. Please forget this look once again that you are just saying. Forget this look. After this one now, I will just arrange it, put it in a place, and I go and take my bath. So that is just it. So what else? That is turning.